Kathleen? I sent you an invitation. An invitation for the Zoom. Three, three letters.
You send an invitation.
And I sent you the list.
Okay. Thank
Okay?
you. Right here. Yeah, you got time. Hello,
Hello.
hello. Hi there.
Hi. So
How
we
are
have
you?
three left.
Yay, it was close.
Yay. Yes.
Almost. All right, I'm on my list. Ohio will be sitting here in seconds, so we'll be ready to go when you guys are. I did
Uh,
get through the morning orders. They all look good. I just ran out of time to send the confirmation back, but they're going to be
no
good.
big deal.
Yeah, I'll
No
just
big deal.
wait. I probably will just wait and reply with all of them one email,
Sure. Sure. That's
uh,
fine.
after you get the order. So it looks like the
Okay.
day's going well. I'll go off. I'll be back when everybody else is.
Okay.
All
Thank
right.
you.
Bye. You bet.
Bye.
Good afternoon. Looks like we're still waiting for the prosecutor.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. I don't know if you have my list. I have Daniel Ojeda here ready to go.
Okay, thank
All
you.
right. You're welcome.
Good afternoon. Looks like everyone's here.
All right, here's Mr. Ojeda.
Okay.
Hello.
Good afternoon, Mr. Ojeda. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. Are
Good
you
afternoon.
able to hear me okay?
Yes.
Okay. It looks like you are not being held on the city cases at all. There is a county case that's holding you up.
Yeah.
But since you are in custody on the county case, we thought we would at least try to see you on your city cases. They are just some traffic matters. And we wanted to make sure that you were aware of them. It looks like these were all alleged to have occurred May 27th of 2023 in the area of 83rd and Leavenworth Road. The specific allegations are violating a stop sign, reckless driving, attempting to flee or elude, failing to wear a seatbelt, not having a driver's license, no proof of insurance, driving at an unsafe speed, and failing to signal before a turn. You can request a continuance to hire an attorney. You can state that you're not guilty and set these cases for a trial, or you could speak to the prosecutor, Mr. Rankin, about a possible plea offer. What would you like to do?
I talked to my lawyer and he asked me to ask you nicely if I can get it continued so it doesn't affect my county case because the eluding is a personal crime or whatever. So he asked me to ask for a continuance until we figure out what we're gonna do with that other county case.
So do you have an upcoming court date on your county case that you're aware of?
January 10th, I believe, is the next one.
Okay, give me one moment. Sometimes I can see that, sometimes I can't. Okay, Mr. Rankin, what is the city's position?
No objection, Judge. That's fine with us.
Okay, so what I want to do is we want to make sure we put it past that January 10th date. Give me 1 second. Okay, I've got to get my January calendar. So we could put this either on January 14th or January 28th at 1 p.m. Does either side care,
Can we do the 28th if that's possible?
Mr. Rankin?
That's fine with the city, Judge.
Okay. So if you're still in custody on the county case, we will see you by video. Otherwise, you'll need to appear in person January 28th at 1 p.m.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Ojeda.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Judge New Pod, Brandon Del Cid. I'll be back in a minute.
Okay. Thank you.
Yep. Pardon me, Judge, Mr. Del Cid is here.
Fantastic. Good afternoon, Mr. Del Cid. I am Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. Just making sure that you can hear me.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it looks like you are not being held on the city traffic case. It does
Okay.
look like you've got matters pending in the county that you're being held on. But since you are in custody, we thought we would go ahead and see you on your city case.
Okay.
It looks like these events were alleged to have occurred June 4th of 2019 in the area of North Washington and State. The allegations are child passenger safety, no proof of insurance, and not having a driver's license. You can request a continuance to hire an attorney, state you're not guilty, set the case for a trial, or speak to the prosecutor. What would you like to do?
To be honest with you, I do have an attorney, but I have him for my other case. Um, I feel like the other case is a lot more, for me to have him there. I don't know if there's any way I could plead guilty to this and actually like serve time for these.
So do you want to just speak to the prosecutor, see if the two of you can come to some sort of a resolution?
Yes, ma'am. I might as well, because I'm
Okay.
gonna be in here
So
for.
if you don't like what he has to offer you, just tell him no thanks and they'll get you right back in front of me, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much.
Just leave the headphones on and let the person who gave you the headphones, Mr. Doyle, know that you need to go to the breakout room.
Okay, I need to go to breakout.
Yep, that's
Okay.
it. We got it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon. Were the two of you able to come to some sort of a resolution?
I
Yes.
believe we were, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Rankin, if you could just review it for us.
Judge, I think he's willing to plead guilty to the no insurance charge. The city would dismiss the remaining charges. We'd recommend a 10-day jail sentence and ask that he be given credit for time served. I think he's been in for over 2 weeks now, so.
Okay, let me, I show November 26th is the date that you were booked. Is that, would you agree with that, Mr. Delson?
Yes, I was booked on the 26th here. They got me over there in New York on the 20th, and then they moved me here.
Okay, okay. And Mr. Delson, do you understand that you do have the right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you understand that if you did go to a trial, you'd have the right to the assistance of an attorney?
Yes.
Do you understand that if you did go to trial, you'd have the right to review any of the discovery, police reports, body camera footage, any of that kind of stuff prior to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that at a trial, either if you were represented by an attorney, your attorney, or you would be able to ask questions of witnesses?
Yes.
And do you understand that if you did go to trial and you were found guilty, you would be able to appeal that decision to the Wyandotte County District Court?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing all of that, are you wanting to accept the plea offer?
Yes.
Okay. Give me 1 second. Okay, we will give you credit for time served and close your city matters. Thank you.
All right.
Have a
Thank you
good
so
day, Mr.
much.
Delson.
You
Good
too.
luck to you.
Thank you.
Just checking you were all done there, Judge.
Yes, absolutely.
All right, next person, new pod, new floor, Eric Mares Juarez.
Okay,
Back soon.
thank you.
Yeah, pardon me, Judge, Mr. Maris is here.
Good evening, Judge.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you fine.
Okay, great. I'm Judge Schultz with the Kansas City, Kansas Municipal Court. You're not being held on the city cases, but since you are in custody on a 48-hour hold for the county, we thought we would go ahead and try to see you on your city traffic.
Yes.
It looks like there are 2 alleged incidents to have occurred. The first was alleged to have occurred November 8th of 2022 in the area of Meadowlark and Parallel. The specific allegations on that are an expired tag and driving while suspended. The second one was alleged to have occurred November 21st of 2023 in the area of
Wayfair.
6537. Give me 1 second. Why? Wow, that is hard to read. It starts with a B.
Over there by like Wayfair, you mean?
I think so.
Yeah, on that one actually.
Well, I have to finish. I have to
Okay,
actually
I'm
read
sorry.
the charges.
Okay.
It looks like you were charged on that one with an expired tag and no proof of insurance. So let me tell you what your options are, and then you can tell me what you had wanted to tell me. So you can request a continuance to hire an attorney. You
Mhm.
can state that you're not guilty and set the case for a trial. You could speak to the prosecutor about a plea offer.
Yes.
I know one of those is a driving while suspended. I'm not sure if you know exactly what's going on with your driving record. So even if you just wanted time to try to figure that out, I'd be happy to give you that time.
Yes, on one of them when I got pulled over just a couple of days before, I had came here to Wyandotte and I had paid a warrant. And that time they gave me a paper which is in my truck, and they said that on the paper it says that my license was not suspended, but I
Okay.
didn't have it on me, and that's why they still gave me the ticket, but I failed to show up. But if I can have a continuance and then talk to prosecutors so that I can have a later court date and try to, either if the
If you want a continuance, we'll just give you the continuance
yes.
right now. Oh, you know what? I'm so sorry. I just got a message from her. I see that on the 2, but not the other 2. Let's see. Okay, so the one that was alleged to have occurred back on November 8th of 2022, you've resolved that one. It's only
Yeah.
the one from 2023 that is
Yes.
unresolved. I'm sorry.
Yes.
But yes, we're happy to give you some time if you would like just a continuance, or set it for trial, or talk to the prosecutor. Which one do you want to do?
Yeah, continuance and then to see what my payment options are. I don't know if I can have an attorney from the state to help me out, or
Mr. Rankin, is the city seeking jail time on that no proof of insurance and expired tag?
We are not, Judge.
Okay, so because they're not seeking jail time,
great, thank you.
you can't get an attorney appointed. But what I will
Okay.
tell you, on the one that you already owe money on,
Yes.
if you're still in custody on the next court date, I will consider closing it for a lack of ability to pay.
Okay.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set this into January. We can either put this on January 14th at 1 or January 28th at 1. Which would you prefer?
If I can have the later one, the January 28th.
Okay, so if you're still in custody for some reason on that county issue, if they actually file charges instead of just, the 48-hour hold, then we'll see you by video. Otherwise, you'll need to appear in person. And when they release you from jail, they'll give you a paper that shows that January 28th date, okay?
Okay. So how I have like, I think 17 hours more to go?
I'm not sure.
Because they said I had that 48-hour hold.
Yeah, I do know it's a 48-hour hold. I'm just not, give me 1 second to see if I can see exactly when you were booked. Sometimes I can, sometimes I can't.
Yesterday around 4
So
in the
it
morning.
looks like I show that you were booked December 16th at 4:37 a.m.
Yeah,
So
4 in the
that
morning.
would be December 18th at 4:37 a.m. If they don't file charges by then you would get released.
I would get the release. I just need somebody to come pick me up.
Yeah, and the sheriff's deputies would talk to you about that, about whether or not charges actually get filed on the county stuff, okay?
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have a great one.
And that's my list.
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye,
Have a
everybody.
good afternoon, everyone.
Thanks.
Thank
Thank-
you. Bye.